In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a revenue goal in HubSpot. This is a crucial task for sales teams, and understanding how to do it effectively can make a significant difference in tracking your financial targets. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring that you're well equipped to set and monitor these goals with precision and clarity. First things first, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate your way over to the main menu and look for the Sales tab. Now, under Sales, you'll find an option labeled Goals. This is where all the magic happens. It's your central hub for setting all your sales-related targets. With that open, the next step is to click on the button that says Create Goal. Once you hit that button, you're going to see several options. The one we're focused on today is the Revenue Goal. Selecting the right type of goal is crucial because revenue goals are directly tied to your financial performance, giving you a measurable metric to aim for. Next, you'll be guided to a page where you set the specifics of your revenue goal. Start by entering the target revenue amount you hope to achieve. Think carefully about this figure, something challenging yet realistic. Then, add the time frame you wish to set for this objective. It could align with monthly, quarterly, or even annual targets depending on your business needs. You also have the option to assign this goal to a specific user or team. This part is particularly useful for larger organizations where various departments might have different financial priorities. Designating responsibility ensures that everyone knows who's accountable for tracking the goal and helps in collaborative efforts to reach it. Once you've filled in all these details, it's time to save your goal. With a click of the Save button, your revenue goal is now active and ready to be monitored. But what's a goal without tracking progress, right? Head over to your sales dashboard where you can keep a close eye on how well you're doing. This dashboard presents a real-time view of your progress towards meeting your goal, offering a comprehensive overview of sales activities and achievements. To further enhance your strategy, leverage the reports to monitor goal attainment. These reports allow you to track performance in finer detail, identifying any gaps or trends that may require your attention. Through analyzing these insights, you can adjust your strategies accordingly, ensuring that every action you take is steering you towards your revenue target. And that's it! By following these steps, you should be able to articulate and monitor your revenue goals in HubSpot with ease. Having this setup will allow you to intersect strategy with execution, giving you and your team a clear path to achieving financial success. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy goal setting!